You step through the leaves into the daylight that breaks through the bright forest on early March days, where green peaks are already rising. Soon, leaf after leaf, in the midst of fresh, tart air, white flowers bloom profusely with a spring-like fine scent. Like a big green carpet, you lie at the feet of the trees in a white flower costume and send your greetings to us. This is one of my favorite beech trees. He looks like from another world after rain. Sometimes I think I don't have dogs, but instead I have cows or sheep. Doesn't this look like a fairy wing? My mother-in-law celebrated her birthday and we went to an Italian restaurant and I had a really good meal. It was fettuccine tofu and then tiramisu, and my husband had panna cotta, and this is the building on the other side. And I also visited my sister with my niece and my nephew, and my mom was with us. Unfortunately, it was raining through the day. So sad. I was looking for an Easter bunny. And my niece read a book for me. We played Uno. And they raise butterflies. Yeah, and the way back home was rainy too. And of course, back in the woods. Like 2 years ago, I was building little fairy doors, and put them in the woods, and yeah, this is one of them, and look, still pretty cute. This pretty plant is wood sorrel. Frida is always thirsty, and she always finds these water holes in trees or somewhere else. It's so funny. This tree just looks amazing, right? Look at the little spruce tips. This snail looks so big, it's so tiny. I collected some spruce tips and put them in a jar. Then I added honey. Try to stir it. And then I let it sit for like a week or two. Yeah, I wanted to switch things up a little bit, and so I I talked. And please tell me, do you like when I talk in my videos or in these videos, or do you prefer music? Yeah, or like a voiceover. Thank you. Bye.